and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a stop on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go open Google Maps. First of all, let's put our destination and let's add a stop direction and click add stops. Let's add, for example, a gas station. Click add stop. And as you can see now, we have our location, our destination, and in the middle we have that like stop. So to delete it, we have just only to click on it. And after that, as you can see, there is X icon near to the stop. We have just to click on it, and that's it, and click done. And as you can see, the stop was deleted. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and see you in the next one.